We're going to talk about models and cost. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Homestead. Figured I'd jump on here. I've been looking around on some other channels, and I noticed that they don't really talk about costs. Well, I'm here today and I want to talk about costs. Did receive some models in the mail that I ordered here a while back. They was on clearance. But I did pick up a new tool. It's a little scribing tool to help make your lines a little better. We're going to try that tool out on a future model. Got this one in the mail, the Iced Tea monogram, 1/24 scale. That's a future build. Got this one, Camaro, 2016 Camaro. That'll be a future build. 53 Chevy panel wagon, 2-in-1 kit by Revell. Future model build. Alright, so, getting out of the way, let's talk about costs and models. When you build a model, your initial cost is the model itself. The three I just showed you, these three here, able to pick up on clearance under $15 each. I think the cheapest one was the Iced Tea one. I picked it up for, I think it was $9 and something, like $9.20. The Camaro and the panel wagon, around $14, close to $15 maybe. The scribing tool, that was $10. Okay, that's your initial cost in a model. Now if you're building 18-wheelers, there is more expensive models out there. I've seen models up to $1,200 just for a model kit. There ain't no way I'm going to pay that much. Never. So then you get your kit, then you decide what color you're going to paint it. And you can find paint out there like this one. This is a flat black. Okay, this can was $4.99. Some places sell them for $6.99. Some places sell them for $8.99. Just depends on where you go. Then you got your little bottles of paint. These little bottles right here. They can sell from anywhere from $1.99 up to $7.99, depending on where you get them. You may not use a lot. You may use more. It's hard to say. Depends on what you're going to do on your model. Then you got your little detail and paint, like the liquid chrome. I picked this one up, $4.99. You got your paint, markers and that too, and they're about the same price. Then you get into your airbrush paints. Your airbrush paints are more expensive. They're pre-mixed. You stir them up, put them in your bottle, boom. You start painting. You got your acrylic paints, you got your enamel paints, you got your lacquer paints. All that all adds up. All different price levels. To get into an airbrush, I went with the airbrush from Harbor Freight. My son-in-law, he had one. He owed me some money. So he gave me his, but the problem was the airbrush was missing a part and I had to go buy a new one. With a discount coupon, I picked it up for less than $15 for a replacement, which is very reasonable. I like how it works. I like using it. Like I said, and then you know you got your different masking tapes. If you're gonna get into the finer details, you know you got everything. You know, well lighting, odds and ends. You know, you're they're like a one-time cost, and that. But for a beginner, you want to find a cheapest model you can. I picked up some at thrift stores for not very much money, just to practice on. I don't care if the whole kit's there or not. Just something to practice on. That's a good way to start learning, you know. And then you build yourself up gradually, you know, and get more and more easier for you to start building models. And while you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watching for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.